Great readers can make inferences about their characters. When we make inferences, we use clues from the text and what we already know inside our brain to figure out something that the author didn't tell us. In our books, sometimes the author doesn't tell us everything about the character. We can figure out and learn more about our characters, such as what kind of a person they are, or predict what happens to them by making inferences. Let me give you an example. The title of my book is Max's Mistake at the Beach by Sandra Grosh. Here is a paragraph from my book. Max went to the beach and laid out for 6 hours straight. The sunblock lotion that his mom had given to him remained unopened in his backpack. Later that night, Max was rolling around his bed in pain. Whoa, Max is in pain. I wonder why. The author didn't tell me, so I'm going to make an inference to figure out what happened to him. First, I need to find clues from the text. In the text, it states, my character Max spent 6 hours in the sun. He was at the beach and left the sunblock lotion in his backpack the whole time. Later that night, he was in a lot of pain. Then I need to think of what I know. I know that when I don't put on sunblock lotion when I'm at the beach for a long time, I get a sunburn and it hurts. So my guess is that Max had a really bad sunburn. This is my inference. As you can see, I took clues from the text and what I already knew in my mind to make an inference about my character Max. The author didn't have to tell me that Max got a bad sunburn. I could just figure it out. Now it's your turn. As always, pick a fiction book and read independently for 35 minutes. While you are reading, think about what your character says, does, thinks, and feels, and what you already know in your mind. When you're done reading, write the title, author, and character's name. First, describe what your character did, said, thought, or felt. Then, write what you know in your own mind. Finally, make an inference about your character. Post your answer as a comment, and after you post your answer, don't forget to click Mark as Done. Please do not press Mark as Done until you post your answer as a comment.